Here we are again, looking at homes.
We got 2 doors.
Go ahead, son. Oh, you don't mind me taking a video, do you?
No, I don't mind at all. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. I like to start off here because this is going to be our most affordable home that we've got. And then we can start, look, we got another.
Oh, nice bathroom here. Nice bedroom, closet. Hey, Arabella.
It's a bit longer, and then they put a guest bathroom. That's cool.
This is nice. It's bigger. Right? Which one is left for that? It's more bigger and more space.
Oh, look.
There's still one more thing. I know.
Oh, this is nice.
2 bathrooms.
No, there's
You got another
let me see.
bathroom in here. Closet. Going into a 2-bedroom right now. Okay. Nice island again. What's for dinner? Washer and dryer hookup. Nice space here.
Yeah, this is an option. You could have this removed if you want. So
I
you could
see.
put a circular table here if you wanted to put one here instead of over there.
Right, right.
Or you can leave this here for a desk.
Yes. I like this.
Light in here.